Chapter 8, Functions and Inequalities. We're going to be focusing on equalities today. So 8.5 is inequalities. So let's get going. So let's talk about what inequalities are. So you've probably seen these symbols before, okay? So here's your symbols. This is a less than symbol, greater than symbol. This is less than or equal to, so that has like a little equal sign, so that line underneath means equal. And then you have this greater than or equal to symbol, okay? So what else do you notice? This means also can mean is fewer, is more than, is at most, and then is at least. And here are a few examples for you. So 3, and how you read it is from left to right, just like a normal sentence. 3 is less than 5. 8 is greater than 4. 7 is less than or equal to 10. 12 is greater than or equal to 9. Okay? So inequalities are solved by finding values of the variables that make the inequality true. So let's get started. So here's example 1. Of the number 6, 7, or 8, which is the solution of the inequality f plus 2 is less than or equal to 9. So you guys have seen this before. It's a similar table that we used with the equations. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use it with inequalities. So this is the value of f that we're trying to find. So we're getting the 6 here, 7, and then the 8. Here's the inequality. Now we're going to substitute in the 6 for the f. Okay? So instead of f, I'm going to write 6 plus 2 is less than 9. What is 6 plus 2? 8. 8 is less than 9. Is that a true statement? Yes. 8 is less than 9. All right, let's look at number 7. So if I put 7 plus 2 is less than 9. What is 7 plus 2? That's 9. Is 9 less than 9? No. So the statement is not true. Then if I were to substitute 8 in for f, so at 8 plus 2 is less than 9. What's 8 plus 2? 10. 10 is less than 9, and that is definitely not true. So that's a no. Okay? So of the numbers 6, 7, or 8, which is the solution to the equality? 6 is a solution to the inequality. F plus 2 is less than 9. All right, here's our next problem. Example 2. Of the numbers 8, 9, or 10, which is the solution of the inequality n minus 3 is greater than 6? So we're going to set up the table again, like before. So we're going to find the value of n, and then here's our inequality. So we need to write our inequality in here. So n minus 3 is greater than 6. Now we need to figure out, is the statement true? Okay? So the first step is to substitute for n. So first numbers that I'm going to go ahead and write is I have 8 here, 9, and 10. So I'm going to substitute 8 in for n. So I have 8 minus 3 is greater than 6. So what is 8 minus 3? That's 5. And is 5 greater than 6? No, it's not. So we simplified, and is the statement true? No. All right, next up, I need to try 9. So I'm going to substitute the 9 in for n. So I have 9 minus 3 is greater than 6. So what is 9 minus 3? 6. Is 6, so I simplified, is 6 greater than 6? No, they are equal, so it wouldn't work. If it had an equal sign, then it would work, okay? Next one, 10. I'm going to substitute 10 into the inequality. So I have 10 minus 3 is greater than 6. 10 minus 3 is 7. Is 7 greater than 6? Should make that look more 70, right? All right, is 7 greater than 6? Yes. So what is our solution? Our solution is 7. So 7 is a solution for, oh, you can put n equals, is it n? Yes. N equals 7 is a solution for n minus 3 is greater than 6. Okay. Let's go on to our next problem. This is a little bit different than what we did before. So for example 3, it says, is the given value a solution to the inequality? So now we're given the inequality, and we have to figure out if x equals 4 is a solution to it. Okay? So I'm going to write the inequality. So x plus 3 is greater than 9. That's my first step. My second step is I need to substitute x equals 4 into this inequality. So 4 plus 3 is greater than 9. So I rewrote this exactly the same. The only thing I changed was that my x was equal to 4. Okay? Now I need to simplify this left side here. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Is 7 greater than 9? No, it's not. Okay? So x equals 4. So going back to this question, x equals 4 is not a solution to the inequality x plus 3 is greater than 9. Okay. Example 4. So is the given value of a solution of the is the given value a solution of the inequality? So I'm trying to see if y equals 6 would work for this equation. So the first step is to write my inequality. So I have 12 is greater than or equal to 18 minus y. The second thing I need to do is I need to substitute. So I'm going to put that y equals 6. So I got to put y is equal to 6, so that means I need to substitute the 6 in for y. So I'm going to write everything else the same, but my y is now 6. So I write 12 is less than or equal to 18 minus 6. And then my third step is to simplify. So what is 18 minus 6? 12. And then everything else stays the same. Is 12 less than or equal to 12? Yes, it is. Okay? Because they are equal. This means that they're equal, and it's okay that they are equal. So that is a true solution. So is the given value a solution? You say yes. Y equals 6 is a solution to the inequality 12 is less than or equal to 18 minus y. Okay, so let's go ahead and go on to our next problem. All right, number 5 is the given value of a solution of the inequality, and then 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x, where x equals 8. So write the inequality. So I'm going to go ahead and do 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus x. And then my next step is to substitute in the 8. So what is everything else stays the same. So 17 is greater than or equal to 11 plus, I substitute it, the x is 8, so I'm going to put the 8 there. Okay, so I put this in here. So everything else stays the same except for your variable which you are substituting in. So now the next step is to simplify. So 11 plus 8 is 19. So 17 stays the same and is greater than or equal to 19. Is this true? 17 is not greater than 19. So that means that x equals 8 is not a solution to the inequality. (17) greater than 11 plus x. Okay, let's go on to our next problem. All right, this is a you try. So I want you to figure out on your own, is the given value for each of these inequalities a solution? So I have 22 is less than or equal to 15 plus b, and you're going to see if 6 is a solution to this equation, or inequality. And then for this one here, I have 12 is greater than or equal to 5 plus g, or g equals 6. So I want you to go ahead and you try it. We will be, this will be in your practice in the classroom. All right? All right, so we have one more example. So example 6, let's go ahead and read it together. So Lisa receives a bonus if she makes more than 20 balloon bouquets in a month. Which months did Louisa receive a bonus? So here you can look at her balloon sales. She sold 25 in July, 12 in August, September she sold 18, and October she sold 32. So we need to figure out that you need more than 20 balloons. So in July, so I'm going to go ahead and do one for each. She was 25, and then we have to have it greater than 20. Is this true? Is 25 greater than 20? Yes. Okay, so August, she sold 12. Is 12 greater than 20? No, it's not. So not August. September, I have 18. Is 18 greater than 20? No, it is not. And then I have October, I have 32. Is 32 greater than 20? Yes. Okay, so in July and October, so it says which months did Louisa receive a bonus? She received a bonus in July and October. All right, that is it for now. I hope you all are having a good time. We sure do miss you.